In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Facebook ads effectively. If you're looking to increase your brand's visibility or promote specific products or events on Facebook, boosting your posts can be a powerful tool to reach your desired audience more effectively. So, buckle up and let's dive into the dynamic world of Facebook advertising. First off, you'll need to navigate your way to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is where the magic happens, allowing businesses to manage their ads, pages, and more in one place. If you haven't set up your Business Manager account yet, now's the time to do so. Once you're on the Facebook Business Manager page, you'll see the option to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. This is a straightforward step. Just ensure you're logging in with the Facebook account associated with your Business Manager. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Select the appropriate one to move forward. It's crucial that you pick the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple businesses or pages, to ensure you're boosting posts from the right place. Next, you'll navigate to the content section. Here's where you'll find all the posts you've created that are eligible for boosting. It's like your creative library, showcasing everything from your most recent posts to the classics. In today's digital world, visuals are key. So you might see an image showing you exactly where to click. But just remember, this is about finding the post you believe will benefit most from that extra visibility boost. Once you've found the gem you're looking to promote, it's time to click on Boost. This button is your gateway to increasing your post's reach beyond your usual audience. Remember, the effectiveness of your boost largely depends on the quality and appeal of the post you choose. So pick wisely. Now you've navigated the prep work and it's time to get your post out into the world with increased visibility. Look for the publish button. This is your final step. The moment where you confirm that you're ready to boost your post and have it seen by a broader audience. The excitement builds as you're about to give your content that extra push it deserves. A few additional tips to keep in mind as you go through this process. Targeting is everything. When you boost a post, you'll have the option to define the audience you want to reach. Take your time with this step. Being strategic about your audience can significantly impact the success of your boosted post. Budget wisely. Boosting posts isn't free, so set a budget that makes sense for your business and marketing goals. Even a small budget can lead to significant results if used wisely. Monitor and adjust. Once your post is boosted, keep an eye on its performance. Facebook provides valuable insights that can help you understand what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your approach to future boosted posts. Boosting posts on Facebook is not just about spending money to increase visibility. It's about strategically choosing content that resonates with your target audience and aligning it with your business goals. With the steps we've walked through today, you're well on your way to making your next Facebook ad campaign a resounding success. That's a wrap on how to boost Facebook ads effectively. Remember, the digital landscape is always evolving, and staying informed about the latest trends and tools is key to maximizing your social media marketing efforts. Happy boosting, and see you in the next video.